Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to force quit any application on your MacBook. So as you can see, if I'll press any command option, as you can see it's not working. Okay, so if you want to force quit this application or any application, then what you have to do, you just need to press option, command and escape button together on your keyboard. So just press option, then command, then here you need to press escape button. Now as you can see on your screen, you will see this force quit application option. So you just need to press down arrow key and select that application which you want to force quit. After select that application, you just need to click on force quit. Again you have to click on force quit. So it's done. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.